akuma bedi agro. Yan jimun dintini asi at the third force, oh, baby, call yem pay me, my catcher me say, Michelle will now be President Mahama, Michelle now will be almost freedom fighters, yembe bois, na Mahama bra power, na Mahama bapa, freedom fighters for mobile ye good, and you say ye, because I'm saying freedom fighter, ye, yes, he can, ye person money ye, because me no, at the end of the day, no, anya, me nibidi, and then the many di, and the menum de, okay. But I say, you want to me cry me or fatiasi. No which me mamma metiasi. What you say? Aha. Enti anya cry there. Me which me cry me grandmother tiasi. What you say? Enti me do a me send numbers no dia mamo. Agbansu man agba be no go so nim say ma send the message a catch say wo fa wonnim na sai pa level we ye pass wo wudi ye be bo dua akopem time wo time kran kenso. Ye di dua ye be bo wa no pa wiane anajo. Sending a message back or sending me emoji no soon. Agbansu man agbabe. Me sending the message voice note or send ne respond or the man no soon emoji or the bam no soon. Yes. Only me sama me catch no. And confo we dear we be good Ghana phone you be good banks, I be good you rough. I be send you rough. Yes, sorry koda ya say Gabi about fear. About fear at in what capacity? What capacity? And all the bad person now you understand the reason why I say the third force ever. Now you people understand why I say the third force ever. Because Mahama, I don't trust him. I don't trust him. This kind of his posture now. Why I don't say, oh, Jesus Christ, hey, Jesus Christ, do me no sorry them could bank or for Jesus Christ no. When you know your enemies, when enemy will fail such a wa, also come up with measures to defend your people, to protect your people. You have 3 years. 3 years, ewa. 3 years, ewa, yeah. The winning is getting closer. They can sense, say you are, they already told Akufo-Addo in January. After the the swearing ceremony, they told Akufo-Addo, national security, every phone, they said, you, Mr. Man, this particular election, the winning was not on your side. Yes, Akufo-Addo was brief. Because say, you need some more Ekoswana. Akufo-Addo that one. Play na ya got more the up and down in sometimes or that one. Telling you the truth. He knows. I don't know Akufo-Addo. And then something na Mokomkubus attach your cousin to Akufo-Addo. The seat and Akufo-Addo this one will freeze to attach and be fast as it. Monkobusano. When you Akufo-Addo, any or one cousin, anywhere for Riata, what is going in between them? In Tawantawa, things are not going well. The people know so they have lost. They know so they have lost our head. Now, Fedia, John Mahama. Yeah, the Jew was soon kakra. Yeah, the feather fell crocron kakra. Oh, my man, go fool, win the more be good and more sit tan times. Yana saying, Ambi. Yana saying, Ambi. All these people come to you. These people, they know, say they have lost. They know, say, and the MPP knows, said they have already lost 2024 election. And I said, Baumia, Ghana's Papa Ajasco, Baumia, Dr. Baumia, Ghana's Papa Ajasco. When the fundamentals are weak, the CD will expose you. Today, fundamentals are not weak, the fundamentals are dead. I will continue, your friend say 40 man, then, and to me, resuscitate, your friend is saying, CD no. The CD is dead. And they were free. Fundamentals are weak, Maybe them see when the fundamentals are dead. We're free when the fundamentals are dead, And then we baby a hoko. And then digitalization. Or papa, transfer man for who say, and somehow can in iron throne. We're jumping everywhere was what called e-pharmacy. And on the e-levy ba. Who see e-block? I had Diane, school Diane Kodabe Kumuno. One of the mobile Amazon Babaji at 2 free. See, Kobi Chama, Obima Achadia, you see a taxi Achadiano. These people are wicked people. And then e-pharmacy. The man is confused. Mahama is confused person. He's just like a Kufado. Mahama is just like a Kufado. They don't have the dreams. They are visionless. And I levy and now China pharmacy. Very soon, but we human being.
Sabato share video as you know. This is MPP for any action. You share video as you know. There's a South freedom fighters who have video. Now go share a Domagua and you no more fighting. Mimiti a say MPP a Juma Wayama Ghana. And yes, more party anymore. Ghana from Faso and every MPP. The only thing and conforming them for MPP are party members, party youth. And then MPP on Faso. But Ghana, they are MPP on Faso. The MPP party members, party youth, and then your Faso. Because every education, party youth to be a Matiaminiba. And this in your own Quasia war, what on Quasiaba, and what in American free education. Nasa MPP ba, Nami Nashia, a dear Chessam in your party in Faso. A dear partner Chessam in your party in Faso. Party youth to now got now ballot boss, a ballot boss. One a bank of free education. And this need to voter region. And this need to central region. And this need to Ashanti region. And this need to Greater Accra. And this need to North. The bank of free education. Dear Fason MPP in youth to calm down for your people. Get them. Give them jobs for free. Take their party card. Sa national ID card we are ni MPP ni NDC ni obi MPP ni obi menya ho hwe but mo pon ho kama Ghana e yesa Ghana nti Ghana nkoso ye e kwana wuyi no wayi am obi oto obetia wo enso enye hwe e Ghana nti but no mo sesi fom na mo di musika no ahwe Ghana fo MPP for you to no Ghana fo mo ye MPP fo o mo so ye Ghana fo na mo ye party ni ma wo ma na sa ba mama tena power. O man of Zaba to Abama. Ya canyon for some no mabano mediatem. Obesity, Massa, was it Mudian Quasadin Quason of the tone? Minra Ghana, and you see a wedding. One and one back, I didn't Quasadin Raton. Minra Ghana. One, more critically, I can't know Jimmy. Over the picture be annual. What to me for any chest of the manager. Jimmy, no Jimmy. Can one intervention end this by Wayama, Ghana? Who are come with the airport? MPP aba. At me, I am no ma wo end this in Union Faso. Mimi MPP name Terminal Faso. In the coffee education. End this time and go school da. By MPP time, end this in the school. Mr. Drum, chow. Reform me produce about copy. Draw on him by fee. He produce about copy. MPP ni penny be a support to you. The help they are to America. When I didn't support a man who produce me. Control platform ya platform I kasama party no. One no yo MPP from penny for cry and support to you. MHM say cratching. You per se my camera. Fire video can say, yet some on some way a person walking. Mr. Party, I'm never see a siphon. My Ghana was answer to